Hello. Hello, hello, hello. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. Meze neza?
Meze neza.
Nanjye meze neza.
Yego.
Uyu munsi tugiye kuvuga nomero za telefone.
Yego.
So hello guys, thank you for coming to our channel. We are going to talk about how to tell phone numbers. Yes. So I will start. Aldo, telefone yawe ni kangahe?
Telefone yanjye ni 0 karindwi 8 8 9 0 2 6 3 9. Wowe telefone yawe ni kangahe?
Telefone yanjye ni 0 karindwi 8 8 0 5 84 41. So you can tell the phone number telling one single digit, one single number, or you can also combine numbers. I think most people combine numbers. Yeah, they say 40, 50, 67, or they say 353, something like that. Telefone ya Annette ni kangahe?
Telefone ya Annette ni 0 karindwi 8 8 8 4 5 6 7 9.
So when you ask a phone number to someone, you say telefone yawe ni kangahe. Then when you respond, telefone yanje ni, then you say the number. If you ask the phone number of someone else, you say telefone ya Annette ni kangahe. So use ya, and then he will respond telefone ya Annette ni 0 karindwi. Yes. And we also use numbers for telling the Momo code. Yeah, mobile. You know, in Rwanda we pay on mobile money, so we tell the code in Kinyarwanda. So I can ask, for example, if you have a business. It's an example. How many numbers are in the code usually?
I think it depends. It can be 4, there can be 5, 6.
Okay, so you are going to tell me a code. So I want to pay. Ndashaka kwishyura. Code yawe ni kangahe?
Code yanjye ni 00 1 2 3 4.
So code ya Momo, ya mobile money. Yes. So we can tell the phone number using numbers. You can tell the code. So now you can see that we use numbers for many things. But especially today we wanted to talk about phone numbers. So here we go again. Telefone yawe ni kangahe?
Telefone yanjye ni 0 karindwi 8 8 9 0 2 6 3 9.
Telefone yanjye ni 0 karindwi 8 8 0 5 84 41. Yes, yeah. So that's how we tell phone numbers. But remember also it starts with country code. What is the Rwandan country code?
Rwandan country code is plus 250.
Plus 250. Kinyarwanda?
Guteranya 2 5 0.
Yes. So before you put a number, you will put guteranya, which is plus 2 5 0. then you put the phone number. Okay, thank you so much for following us. So talk to you soon when we will do more numbers. Bye bye.